While Byton hasn't released photos of the whole vehicle, the company has offered a few glimpses, as well as an explanation of some of the car's core technologies. The visual highlight is the screen that spans the entire top of the dash. Byton calls it the shared experience display, allowing all the car's passengers to consume content together while the car handles the driving duties. It also features a gesture control system that allows any passenger to operate the shared display. There is also a screen mounted on the steering wheel. The Byton Life Cloud Platform allows users access to their own personal apps and data. Taking a cue from Apple, Byton's vehicle uses facial recognition to unlock the car. It also features illuminated panels on the exterior that can switch between display modes depending on the situation. Byton says it will build a car, which appears to be some sort of a crossover based on the silhouette on the Byton website, in Nanjing, China, starting in 2019. The car will come to the US and Europe starting in 2020. Using the same platform, Byton also plans to follow this vehicle up with a sedan and a multi-purpose vehicle, minivan.